everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to restore closed tabs on Google Chrome. We want to restore our closed tabs. Now I've closed the tab and I want to restore them on my Google Chrome app. What do I do? The first thing is that just know that you just simply use a simple keyboard shortcut, which is what? Press the Control, the Shift and the T like that at the same time to restore them. Let's go Control, Shift and T. As you can see, it's restoring the first one. I'll do it again to restore the second. I'll do it again. It restores the third. You can see, and then you can keep going to continue. After now, you keep pressing it. It keeps restoring and restoring and restoring. It's as simple as that. So as you can see, it has restored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I pressed it 6 times. 6. So we have 6 that have been restored. It's as simple as that. So remember, just press the Control, Shift and the T keys on your keyboard. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.